Tell your father to release Nnamdi Kanu in the next 2 weeks. Release Nnamdi Kanu in the next 2 weeks. Let him go back to the United Kingdom where he is. He is not just a citizen of Nigeria. He is also a citizen of the United Kingdom, because that's where I'm seeing him. His Excellency, the President's son, Mr. Sheyi, the Executive Chairman of All Youth Association, with no jokes, please, beg your father, kneel down and said, please, sir, tell him, Daddy, please release Nnamdi Kanu. Please release Nnamdi. Cry for him. I'm not going to tell you anything more than that. If your father does not release Nnamdi Kanu in 2 weeks, let's check the date. Today date is what? This date is 26.
I'm known for that short clip. Yeah, short clip of Apostle Prophet Abel Tiboma. Tinubu that free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in 2 weeks. That he should do that. Now, if not, so more and I show I'm going to believe where the man know. And the reason why you will tell this video about so that Kunu Sola account to know this man very well. Most of you have forgot video on social media. This is one of the few people who work in Nigeria. We will take them serious. Tinubu, he should free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu within 2 weeks. Now he said something in Kubuku before I believe in most of you and Biafra ya Mama Boro Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ye butia. Anyone didn't lay foundation for something. Mama Boro say now that we walk people into the promised land, just like Moses and Joshua and Aaron. That does not mean that their name will be forgotten in the history. No, their name will be there. Manoku kwali yekuna this video that no Boro Mazi Nnamdi Eduba Biafra, that promised land anajo. Mana Tinubu should free him in 2 weeks, according to Yehosena Chukugwalia. So Munga Mazi house unu choka mkuku again. Then end the complete video kuno nehe the man of God concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Sheyi Tinubu and Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I said, in other words, Tinubu na hatujo that na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is now he will affect the election. Also, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not have business to do with the election. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not have business to do with the election. That na free ya kuona chiya back to UK. About citizen, not US. Man, no one has na US no UK. That is where he belongs. He should go back there. Nanagata so bikono. And is the complete without Guamono na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ya apata. And I yano one day. Imagwai yano that I for breaking news na put no ne achoke eje court. Asegina court it will not happen. Ekumia severally. Ono na ade game monte tango no nyamo moza ikukwania. And end this video. Gordon.
I want to speak to Sheyi himself, the son of the president. He's how do they address the son of a president? Do they call him Excellency? Sashi, I hope you're listening to me. His Excellency Sashi, the son of the Nigerian president. Let me let you know something, sir. I want you to please advise your father, your leader, our president, His Excellency, the Chief of the Armed Forces, the great man in Nigeria. Please, I am begging you. I am begging you. Tell your father to release Nnamdi Kanu in the next 2 weeks. release Nnamdi Kanu in the next 2 weeks. Let him go back to the United Kingdom where he is. He is not just a citizen of Nigeria, he is also a citizen of the United Kingdom, because that's where I'm seeing him. His Excellency, the President's son, Mr. Sheyi, the Executive Chairman of All Youth Association, with no jokes, please, beg your father, kneel down and said, please sir, tell him, daddy, please release Nnamdi Kanu. Please release Nnamdi. Cry for him. I'm not going to tell you anything more than that. If your father does not release Nnamdi Kanu in 2 weeks, let's check the date. Today date is what?
This date is 26.
Today date what is May 26. Today is May 26.
Yes, sir.
So that's all when all these prophecies are coming. May 26. Your father have 2 weeks left. Release Nnamdi Kanu. He will never have anything to do with the election. He will just go and take care of his family and rest. You know why? The man has said everything he wants to say. He has done everything he has to do. But God is not using Nnamdi Kanu to bring liberation for Biafra. No, Nnamdi Kanu is not the man. Go, release him. I saw him going back to the UK. Leave him. Please, Sheyi, kneel down and beg your father. Please, sir, let Nnamdi Kanu go. I'm begging you. Let peace reign. You are still going to be the president. Let Nnamdi Kanu go. Please, sir. I am begging you, please. I wish I can cry. Please, His Excellency, the son of a president, and His Excellency, the President of Nigeria. Please, please, please. There are poor people in the country who cannot survive what is coming. There are people who are frustrated, who cannot survive what is coming. Please, Sheyi, please. I beg you, and I wish I can kneel down so that you will see me. If I kneel down, you will not see me. So you will think maybe I'm lying. Maybe I just squat down. Please, Mr. Sheyi, you are a wise man. Sheyi, you have a great future in this country called Nigeria. Sheyi, you have a future. I saw you being the president, and you did everything your dad couldn't do when he was the president. Sheyi, please, I am begging you. Please, beg your father to let go of Nnamdi Kanu. Please, I am begging you now. Your father have 2 weeks left. The reason why I said 2 weeks left, there is a lot of things coming. These things that are coming will arrive next week. They will arrive next week Saturday. Today is Tuesday already. They will arrive next week. It's 26th of May. This is 2:57 a.m. now, East African time. They will arrive next week. Please share. There are 3 stages of this thing. The men with gun, the second man with knife, and the third stage, the men with bottle and local weapons. These people will scatter the properties of Nigeria. Every industry, they will shut it down. It will cause economic crisis. It will bring us down. It will take us 10 steps backward. We are already complaining that the United States of America is chasing Africa. His target is more on Nigeria, not just Africa. You are taking us back. Why people are be thinking, which country do they go back? Your people are thinking, why wouldn't they come back to their country? Will they invest in Ghana? Will they invest in Togo? Where will they run to? Other countries want to put visas issues for Nigeria in Africa. I saw visa problem for Nigerians. They will also reject us in Africa. They will say, no, we won't give you guys visa. Every nation will begin to put visa to say no to Nigeria. Go and fix what you are in. Mr. President, the son of a president, I am begging you. I am begging you with all humility as a prophet of God. Tell your father to let go of this one man, Nnamdi Kanu. Please, let go. Use your hand. Bring him out. Put him inside the flight. Put him inside the private jet. Put him inside Nigeria presidential jet. Put it inside. Put him inside the president jet on DSTV for him to watch. Give him free Wi-Fi. Give him new laptop. Give him iPhone 17. Give him nice meal. Put a doctor with him. Fly him to United Kingdom. When you reach there, support him financially. Buy him a house in the United Kingdom. Beg him. Say, sir, I am sorry for everything I have done to you, but let there be peace. Sheyi, please. I know you might see me as nobody, but I'm begging you, 2 weeks. The moment this equipment of weapons, as a prophet of what I'm saying, the moment it lands, can I tell you something? And that is why the president never accepted Anambra State, never accepted Imo State or any eastern state to bring in goods to make there where they do clearance. That is why the president never allowed it. It's like he's aware of these weapons that are coming. But can I tell you, sir, the custom will not see these weapons. The customs will not see it. These weapons are underwater. How do you ask me if they are normal? They are not normal. I saw a container, about seven containers. When they were passing these seas, they decided to pass illegal places, and a certain sea where it will be good from Anambra State for them to take a ship and go there. And they have divers to drag these weapons from the ground to the boat in the night. And I tell you, sir, the Navy does not go there, because the Navy have no idea that something will happen there. And they throw this container under the mud water, the container there. I am begging you, sir, the weapons they will use, the people that they will call to support this fight will shock you. Are you getting what I'm saying? The moment these weapons land next week, as the Lord is showing, they've already taken a decision. If you release him after the 2 weeks, it's already late. They will do what they want to do. I am begging you, in 2 weeks. Don't even wait for 2 weeks. 1 week is enough, please. I don't want to be a prophet to say confirmation. Please, I'm begging you. The government won't be able to tarnish the internet. You cannot shut down the internet, because I'm seeing a new internet that is coming. Not is coming, is already here. So the moment they will start, there are cameras that will be following them to do what they are doing, so that the whole world will see that they are greater and bigger than the president. I'm begging you, release him. There are spirits that is supporting these people, backing them, that your army will kill. We know your armies will do things, they will destroy. But I beg you, those armies that will be killed, they have family. Those armies they will kill, they have kids. The ones that are killed in Boko Haram, we have not been able to know who they are. We have not been able to even inform their family. You people are just quiet. The innocent people will die. Do they have money to travel? They don't have. Sheyi, please, His Excellency Sheyi, I beg you, talk to the president. Please talk to your father to release Nnamdi Kanu. I'm begging you. I don't want this message to come to pass. Please. Because if this war really happened, your father will not be sitting with two legs as the president again in 2027. His one leg will be pulled out. Are you getting what I'm saying? Because God will not like the bloodshed. Please. That is the message I have. Thank you, sir. I'm a messenger of God.